Tired of bulky drones and complicated setups? Craving an adrenaline rush like never before? Then buckle up, because we're diving deep into the ultimate FPV showdown, the DJI Avata versus the DJI Avata 2. We'll dissect every detail, from their sleek designs and cutting-edge flight performance to their impressive camera capabilities and user-friendly interfaces. Discover which drone reigns supreme in terms of speed, agility, immersion, and overall cinematic prowess. Get ready to experience the thrill of FPV flight like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting drone content. Design and build quality. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata introduced a fresh take on compact FPV, first-person view, drones with a robust, lightweight design. Its small, enclosed frame is optimized for durability, which is crucial for tight flying environments. The build features propeller guards, a protective measure for novice pilots or indoor flights. Its compact design makes it portable, easy to transport, and well-suited for fast-paced flying. However, some users have noted minor limitations in terms of weather resistance, as the Avata was designed primarily with indoor and casual outdoor flights in mind. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 takes the design of the original and makes subtle yet impactful improvements. The frame is still compact and lightweight, but built with enhanced materials for improved resilience, offering more protection against impacts. The Avata 2 also boasts slight weatherproofing upgrades, making it more versatile in varied outdoor conditions. Propeller guards have been reinforced for added durability, and the overall structure feels more refined, lending itself to smoother handling and slightly enhanced stability. Camera quality and video capabilities. DJI Avata. The original DJI Avata sports a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing sharp, high-quality footage with vibrant colors. The camera supports rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, ensuring smooth video capture even during high-speed maneuvers. It has a wide 155-degree field of view, which adds to the immersive experience for FPV pilots. However, low-light performance on the Avata could be improved, as it sometimes struggles to retain detail in darker environments or during dusk. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 features an upgraded 1/1.3-inch sensor, which captures even better low-light footage and improved dynamic range, a big boost for capturing scenes with high contrast. It records in 4K at up to 120 frames per second, enabling slow-motion capabilities, ideal for cinematic shots. The Avata 2 also benefits from advanced Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, which refines the already smooth footage of the original model. The enhanced horizon-steady stabilization helps keep the horizon level during quick directional changes, which adds to the professional quality of the captured footage. Flight performance and stability. DJI Avata. DJI Avata was designed to offer an intuitive flying experience for both FPV beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. It's agile, fast, and responsive, with a maximum speed of around 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. The Avata is equipped with 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, allowing pilots to choose the level of control they prefer. Stability in calm conditions is excellent, but strong winds can impact its performance, which is a limitation for outdoor flights. The Avata also includes downward vision sensors and infrared sensing for improved stability during low-altitude flights. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 refines its predecessor's flight performance with upgraded motors and improved stability, allowing it to handle wind conditions more effectively. It offers smoother and more responsive control, especially in manual mode, making it suitable for professional FPV pilots looking for precision. The Avata 2 also adds a new precision mode, which provides a balanced setting between sport and manual, allowing pilots to achieve greater accuracy without sacrificing speed. Enhanced obstacle detection sensors make the Avata 2 a safer option for more challenging flight environments. Battery life and charging. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata's battery life stands at around 18 minutes per charge under normal flying conditions, which, while good for an FPV drone, may require extra batteries for extended sessions. The Avata supports fast charging, allowing users to recharge quickly between flights, although flight time can be somewhat impacted by aggressive or high-speed flying. Given its compact design, the battery is relatively lightweight, balancing the need for flight time with maintaining portability. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 brings a modest improvement to battery life, achieving up to 20 minutes per charge thanks to optimizations in power efficiency. This slight boost, combined with improved handling, makes it better suited for extended flight sessions, especially when used for cinematic or exploratory flights. Fast charging capabilities remain, and the updated battery design is more durable, giving it a longer lifespan. DJI also introduced a smart battery management system with the Avata 2, allowing for more accurate battery monitoring through the app. Value and pricing. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata offers a compelling package for FPV beginners and enthusiasts at an attractive price point, providing DJI's quality and reliability in a small, durable FPV format. It offers solid performance, high-quality camera capabilities, and user-friendly features, making it accessible to a broad range of users. While some may wish for improved low-light capabilities or more extended battery life, the Avata remains a strong value for users seeking a dependable FPV drone without breaking the bank. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is priced higher than its predecessor, reflecting its improved camera, stability, and durability. Its enhancements make it an appealing choice for advanced users or professionals who want to capture high-quality FPV footage in more challenging environments. The Avata 2 offers better low-light performance, smoother control, and a slightly extended battery life, which justifies its premium. For those who prioritize flight quality, image stabilization, and versatile handling, the Avata 2 provides an excellent return on investment. So, there you have it. The DJI Avata 2 takes the crown in this epic FPV face-off. But ultimately, the best drone for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a curious beginner, both the Avata and Avata 2 offer an exhilarating FPV experience. We hope this video has given you the insights you need to make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on these incredible drones. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!